Okay, like I was saying in the other video, this is for me. So some things I might skip. Okay, and PIP installed NumPy. That's the installed NumPy. PIP installed NumPy. PIP installed NumPy, and that installs NumPy. Import NumPy. Same exact thing. Call all the NumPy people in, or call in the NumPy company. Call in the NumPy company. Call in the NumPy company. Import NumPy company. Array is going to be numpy.array parentheses bracket 1 2 3 4 5. So array is going to be numpy, and within the NumPy company use the array department. Within the NumPy company use the array department. Within the NumPy company use the array department. And we're going to make an array call with um, employees 1 2 3 4 5. We're going to make an array department with employees 1 2 3 4 5. Array department with employees 1 2 3 4 5. And parentheses. And for now, just like when you use array, just think parentheses bracket parentheses bracket parentheses bracket. That's completely like not right, but this is just something, a temporary analogy that we're going to change later. All right, and then print array. So just print, put all these employees out there so people can see the employees. Put all the employees out here so people can see them. Put all the employees out there so people can see them. And remember the mashed potatoes, steak and eggs thing. First, you need to make mashed potatoes. Then you need to make peas. Then you need to make steak. You can't have steak, mashed potatoes, and peas without having everything here. If you just try to put mashed potatoes and steak, it's incorrect. Or steak and peas, it's incorrect. If you want to serve somebody steak, mashed potatoes, and peas, they all have to go together. Alright, NumPy is NP. NumPy is usually imported under the NP alias. Literally, instead of writing NumPy all the time, just write NP. Instead of NumPy, NP. Instead of NumPy, NP. And we'll see an example. Alias. In Python, alias are an alternate name for referring to the same thing. So, yeah. It's a nickname, nickname, alias, nickname, alias, nickname, alias, nickname. Create an alias with the as keyword while importing. Import numpy as np. Basically, bring in the numpy company, and we're going to call them, np instead of NumPy company. We're going to call them NP instead of NumPy company. We're going to call them NP instead of NumPy company. So now the NumPy package can be referred to as NP instead of NumPy. You can say NumPy for short. NP for short instead of NumPy. Import NumPy as NP. Call in the company, and we're just going to call them all NP for short. Array is going to be NP. So within the NP company, we're going to use the array command. And we're going to get employees 1 2 3 4 5. Parentheses bracket parentheses bracket parentheses bracket. It's annoying. Parentheses bracket parentheses bracket. Oh, bracket parentheses bracket parentheses bracket parentheses. Yeah. All right. Print array. And same exact thing. Oh, did I even put that? All right. And bam. Hold up. Real quick, I messed up. I didn't mess up anything, but I forgot to try the command. Okay. When you print this parentheses bracket, it's going to come out as bracket. When you print parentheses bracket, it's going to come out as bracket. When you print parentheses bracket, it's going to come out as bracket. Remember, parentheses are the parameters. Parameter is basically just all the stuff you can do within something. The parameters are basically just a container. Parentheses are container. So this parentheses and this parentheses at the end is just container. Container. The bracket and the numbers are the actual things. Bracket and numbers are actual things. That's why when you print it, you only get the bracket. Print it, you only get the bracket. This is all just containers. Like, this is all, when we're making food in the back, it has to be made in containers. Food in the back has to be in containers. When it goes on the actual plate, you don't need containers no more. No more containers when it's on the plate. No more containers when it's on the plate. Okay? Alright, and, hold on. Where are we going? Okay. You see, this is what